Justin here, Blazin Biddles Off-Road, and today we're going to get these things behind me cleaned up and get ready to go back on the road because they are filthy, and it's just about time to get them cleaned up so we can go drive them on the street. Might get the top off the Blazer and start driving it here soon. And get these things cleaned up using the Salty Captain product because that is what we prefer. We go off-roading on these things a lot, and we beat on these things a lot, but I don't really take care of them as much as I should. And you know, with these nice weld wheels, like, I need to take care of these things better. These tires need to look good. This thing needs to look good. I don't care if we take it four-wheeling all the time, but I want to make this thing look as nice as it can every time we're out. So this stuff's pretty badass, guys. You should check it out. Salty Captain off-road bucket. Comes with quite a bit of stuff. Got a foam cannon. This thing's cool. Looks like a little musket launcher. And got some tire shine, some wheel wash, some grease, degreaser, interior cleaner. This DIY off-road bucket comes with all kinds of stuff. Glass cleaner. This is like a hydrocoats to help the water bead off and stuff. Soap. Got all the stuff. Pretty awesome product line, and it's nice that it all comes together. You get a scrubber, you get that, you get a microfiber towel dryer, wheel cleaner, chamois. You really get everything. So let's get these things cleaned up and we're gonna take them for a ride. That's all you need, just a little bit, not too much. There you go, got the soap. Nice too. Look at all that dirt and grime on them. I'm not going to scrub them, we're just going to spray them and rinse them off. See how these chrome rims turn out. Alright, now we dry it. These things are looking damn good. The Salty Captain products are coming in clutch. These things looking cleaner than they ever have. Alright, chamois time. Damn good tire shine. So we didn't use every product today that we got in our kit. However, we did use the wheel wash. Worked great. The soap and the foam cannon. The foam cannon is pretty cool. It's right there. We haven't used the glass cleaner yet or the interior cleaner. I'm going to use that in a little bit. The degreaser we didn't need, and the drip dry I did not use as well, but we did use the tire shine, and I'll tell you what, these things look freaking killer. I know I don't even have clear coat, but look how nice this thing turned out. This thing looks great. I can't wait to go get it dirty though. I love having it clean, but I love getting it dirty even more. Can't wait to take this thing wheeling. These things both turned out great. We used all the Captain Salty's products for that four-wheel drive off-road DIY kit that we got, and these things look phenomenal. And you know, it doesn't hurt to help wash the wife's car because got some brownie points there as well. All right, everybody, thank you for joining us today. I would highly recommend this Captain Salty's product. Awesome wash product. The tire shine's great. The degreaser, I'll let you know how it works in a future video. Appreciate y'all joining.